Belarus MTZ-50 is a widely recognized two-wheel drive agricultural tractor that was manufactured by the Minsk Tractor Works, MTZ, from 1962 to 1985. Known for its robust and simple design, it was a versatile workhorse on farms, particularly in the former Soviet Union and other countries. Engine detail. The Belarus MTZ-50 is powered by the following engine. Engine model, Belarus D50. Type, diesel. Cylinders, 4-cylinder. Cooling, liquid-cooled. Displacement, 289.8 CI, 4.7 L. Bore, stroke, 4.331 by 4.921 inches, 110 by 125 millimeters. Power, 55 horsepower, 41.0 kilowatts. Compression, 16:1. Rated RPM, 1700. Torque, 188.1 pound-feet, 255.1 Newton-meters. Torque RPM, 1100. Firing order, 1, 3, 4, 2. Starter, electric or pony motor. Starter volts, 12. Oil capacity, 12.7 quarts, 12.0 L. Coolant capacity, 21.1 quarts, 20.0 L, with electric start, 23.3 quarts, 22.1 L, with pony motor.